Hey guys, my name is Rockett. I'm a professional digital artist, graphic designer, painter, and muralist based in Brisbane, Australia. I've been working in the creative industry for the past 19 years, both for companies and also as a freelance artist. What you'll find on this channel is Procreate tutorials, tips and tricks, digital art how-tos, and behind the scenes of commissioned artworks I'm making for clients, as well as vlogs and process videos on paintings, murals, and other art forms. Hit that subscribe button if you're looking to take your digital art skills to the next level, and join me as I bring you along for a look at my life as an artist.